It is just a 3-step process to fix bad full color blue screen error in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type verifier.exe. Click here to open it. It will open driver verifier manager. Then check this option and click on next. Now automatically select unsigned drivers. Again click on next. It will take some time for searching unsigned drivers. After that, close it. Again go to search bar and type command prompt. From the search result, right click here and click on run as administrator. Now type this command chkdsk and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. After that, type exit to close command prompt. Now go to File Explorer icon, right click on it and select Properties. Then go to Device Manager, expand Keyboards, right click here and click on Update Driver. Select this option, then select this one. Now select this model and click on Next. Now close all windows. Go to search bar and type Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click here to open it and click on Restart Now and check for problems option. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.